I want to present to you my new plugin called FlexiFile, which happens to be a custom Blender file name manager. But what does it really do? Well, it creates output file names. Let's say you're anything like me and you end up with an output file and it looks something like that. With this plugin, you can very quickly create your own custom render file output names. So all you need to do is press set custom name, bang. And here we go. Each time you click this button, it automatically creates a new version number. So you can simply go set custom file name, click, 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 and it ups the version number of it. I included the option to have the file name, scene name, camera name, and version number, but you can toggle them off. In this case, we eliminate the scene name, we also eliminate the camera name, and we press set custom file name, and here we go. I found it a really quick and dirty way of doing this, which normally would take me some time to actually, type in all this information. Well, now you can do that very quickly and, with very little effort. So, enjoy!